Question number 17. Calculate the mean of the distribution given below using a shortcut method. Given marks 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70 and 71 to 80. And number of students, that is frequency, is 2, 6, 10, 12, 9, 7 and 4. Marks, that is class interval 11 to 20. And 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80. And number of students, that is frequency is 2, 6, 10, 12, 9, 7 and 4. Mid value (11 plus 20), that is 31. 31 upon 2 is equal to 15.5. First number is 15.5 and 30 plus 21, that is equal to 51 upon 2 equal to 25.5 and 35.5, 45.5, 55.5, 65.5, 75.5. Let A equal to 45.5, DI equal to XI minus A. 15.5 minus 45.5, that is equal to 45.5, 15.5, 003, and that is negative. Minus 30, minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. FIDI. Minus 30 into 2, that is equal to minus 60. 6 into minus 20, that is minus 120. 10 into minus 10, that is equal to minus 100. And 0, 12 multiplied by 0 is 0, and 9 multiplied by 10 is equal to 90. 7 multiplied by 20, that is equal to 140. 4 multiplied by 30, that is equal to 120. And their sum is 0, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 2, 15, 1 carry, 350. And sum of negative number, that is 0, 6 plus 2 is 8, 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 280. 350 minus 280 equal to 0, 7, 70. FIDI equal to 350 minus 280, that is equal to positive 70. And number of students, sum of frequency is equal to Fi, that is 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 11, 30, 3, 4, 5, 50. Why? Shortcut method. Mean x dash is equal to a plus summation FIDI upon summation Fi, which implies assumed mean a equal to 45.5 plus FIDI equal to 70 upon frequency is 50. 0 0 is cancelled and 7 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 2.0, 5 fours are 20. Mean x dash is equal to 45.5 plus 1.4, which implies mean equal to 45.5 plus 1.4, 6, 4. 46.9 answers. Given marks, that is class interval equal to 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70 and 71 to 80. It's given marks or class interval. And number of students, frequency equal to 2, 6, 10, 12, 9, 7 and 4. Mid value is equal to, that is xi. Mid value is xi. 11 plus 20, that is equal to 31, and 31 divided by 2 is 15.5. First number is 15.5, then 25.5, 35.5 and 45.5, 55.5, 65.5, 75.5. Let A is assumed mean, that is equal to 45.5. So di equal to xi minus a. 15.5 minus 45.5, that is minus, and 15.5 is positive. So we get 30 minus 30.0, that is minus 30, and 25.5 minus 45.5 is minus 20. 35.5 minus 45.5 is minus 10. 45.5 minus 45.5, that is 0. And positive 10, positive 20, positive 30. And Fi into di, FIDI, 2 into minus 30 is minus 60. 6 into minus 20 is minus 120. And 10 into minus 10, that is equal to minus 100. And their sum equal to minus 280. Sum of negative numbers equal to minus 280. And 12 multiplied by 0 is 0. 9 multiplied by 10 equal to 90, and 20 multiplied by 7 is equal to 140, and 4 multiplied by 30 equal to minus 120. And sum of positive number equal to minus 350. And sum of positive number equal to 350. 350 minus 280. 350 minus 280, that is positive 70. So FIDI equal to positive 70. And by shortcut method, mean x dash equal to a plus summation FIDI upon summation Fi. Its formula, and a is 45.5 plus FIDI is 70 upon 50. 0, 0 is cancelled and 7 divided by 5, that is 1.4. So mean equal to 45.5 plus 1.4, that is equal to 46.9. 46.9 answer. Thank you.